Kuble pi baro kani day ka mathematics class 10 bat kadai jong ka board MBOSE tementangan peteng biang ban kenya ini kijingkeli jong ka exercise 1.1 tentang le kani ka question 5 check whether 6 to the power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n yang ning day ban check bau new number 6 to the power n new n day natural number la ban day 1 2 3 4 nang ta dangi kenya kata ka number ka bang yo kadai ban kut hau 0 kata day ka jingkeli solution jong kani number 5 ni thok ni if any number ends with digit 0 it should be divisible by 10 or by 5 and by 2 and 5 as 10 equal to into 5 telada no number ka last digit day 0 kamut la ban divide dau 10 ngitip ya kata bat ro la ban divide dau 2 la ni bat la ban divide dau 5 namar ki prime factors jong 10 ki day 2 into 5 nang ta hang ni ngi day ban check ba new number 6 to the power n ka last digit day 0 na m the prime factorization jong 6 to the power n 6 day 2 into 3 day 6 prime factorization day 2 into 3 power n te hang ni ngi iba the prime factors day 2 badu 3 5 done then it is seen that 5 is not the prime factorization of 6 to the power n. Hence, for any value of n, 6 to the power n will not be divisible by 5. Kamut, new number 6 to the power n, n la day no natural number. Tangi simu n 1 kan mut 6 to the power 1 day 6. Unim la divide dau 5. La dangi bu n dau 2. Kadai 6 power 2, 6 power 2 mut 6 into 6 day 36 niro mla divide dau 5. Dangi sim n dau 3, 6 power 3, 6 into 6 into 6 kadai 216. Niro mla divide dau 5. The baro ki number mla divide dau 5 la day hakani form 6 power n. The kamut ni thong ni hence therefore 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Nimla yo number 6 power n bakan day ka last digit 0. Question 6 explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 5 are composite number ni haban batai balai bakini kidai ki composite number. Di number 6 ni dai bang explain balai kini ki artli ki number hang ni kidai composite number. Tingitip bau composite number dai number badon sibun teliki factors more than 2 palat yo 2. Namar badon tang artli ki factors dai prime number ki factors dai 1 badu the number itself kumut 2. 2 ki prime ki factor jong 2 1 into 2 kumut 1 badu 2. 1 but number 2 itself kum 3 1 into 3 kum kini ki day prime kum 4 day tang 1 to 4 ngi 402 into 2 dan 1 2 3 lai teliki factor kum gane ka day composite te hang ni ngi page ikini ru kin sa day composite kamut ki day bandon more than 2 factors palat yo ya arteliki factor ni banengkong kani kadai ka way tang way by number dan multiply kini lightly sa plus but 13 jaja ka bat multiply but plus 13 nile kumni ngi sim common namar hang ni don 13 kani dai by tang ka way plus 13 mut artli ki terms la banong ni plus ba ya panya klat ki terms hang ni dai one term ni dai another term na kini artli ki term ngi about 13 dai common ngi sim common yo 13 sim common bu bracket nakani ka term banengkong sa stang 7 but 11 nakani term ba r pan ngila dep sim 13 gamut sa stang 1 yang ni kan sedai 7 into 11 day 77 plus 1 yang ni kan day 13 into 77 plus 1 day 78 nang ta ni ngi iba new number badai way by number ngi factor la bandai 13 la bandai 78 ro dangi wat su yagi prime factors jong 78 2 into 3 day 6 7 minus 6 day 1 18 2 into 9 day 18 3 into 1 day 3 3 into 3 day 9 78 ngi laban thok ni 2 into 3 into 13 kamut dang bon su ki factors kamut kani ka day be composite namar day tang 1 but new ju number badai ki factors ta kadaw ka day composite ni thok ni which is a composite number as it has more than 2 factors. Sakani away, hang neru kumjo 7 to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 dangi multiply kini baro plus 5 your wave number but on number day composite kamut kibun kidon sibun 3 factor palat yo 2 dia kenang ajaka ban multiply but plus ni sim common biang nama don r 3 term gani day first term gani second sim common yo 5 apa bracket sa stang 7 6 4 3 2 1 plus ladep sim common ni 1 multiply kini 7 6 4 3 2 ngin saya 1008 angka plus 1 ya 5 into 1009 kini yang ni ki factor kidan 5 but 1009 dai tang 1 but sa we dai tang r tli factor 1 la don lupa barbor 1 don kamu hang ni dai tang r tli factor dai 1 badu jo number pada yang ni kamu kan niru kadai composite ni tho which is a composite number as it has more than 2 factors. Kemudian ni explain bagi dari composite numbers kini ki kene jengkeli ban riu keblai sibun.